Oh, hey guys, it's Mike from Ophelia's Bluevine Farm. I just got this solar-powered irrigation system in from Australia. I can't wait to tell you about it. It is awesome, but today, unfortunately, that's not what I'm here to talk about. Of course, a lot of you who have been following us in the channel know that earlier this year, I got a $25,000 grant from KC Gift, an awesome organization that gives funding money to Black-owned businesses. They've been fantastic, incredible organization in the first year, and well over going into next year, giving away $500,000 easy. So at the gift banquet this week, I was honored with this incredible award, and it reads, Gift, if 15,000 people donated $10 a month, community impact presented to Ophelia's Bluevine, Mike Rowland, for your outstanding impact in our community for 2021. It's an honor and a privilege to be recognized by this incredible organization. They're doing some wonderful things, and again, please take an opportunity out to support Gift. 15,000 people giving $10 a month is awesome, and it makes a huge difference and a great impact in our community. Thank you, Gift, for this incredible and beautiful award. I accept this award on behalf of my late grandmother, Ophelia Woodard Richardson, who believed, just like Gift, that one person could make a difference in a community.